What's up, guys? So today Bedwars updated, and in today's video I will be telling you all about it. The first thing they added was a new currency called gold. Here is how it looks like. The next thing that you may know is, it's Bedwars' birthday, so they added some quests that can give free rewards. You heard me right, free. Here they are. These missions will be reset every 24 hours. Here are the rewards. Another exciting change is that they added a new map. This is exciting because we did not have a map change in forever. Here it is. It's called Skull Island. This is the only map that has gold. Using gold you can buy 3 new things. 1. The treasure chest. It has a chance of giving iron bombs, oranges, and diamonds. 2. Healing orange. This orange heals you, but it's basically like the healing apple from Baker. 3. Gunpowder barrels. When you hit them, they explode with a lot of knockback. And that's pretty much the whole update. It's not the biggest yet, I really like it. Bye.